Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of phone protection with our top 5 best phone cases of 2024. We've meticulously researched and tested these cases to bring you the most reliable, stylish, and innovative options on the market. Stay tuned till the end for a surprise case that's a game changer in phone protection. For more details and the latest pricing, check the links in the description. If you enjoy our content, hit the subscribe button for regular updates. Now, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Spigen Neo Hybrid Phone Case. Number 4. Spidercase Waterproof Phone Case. Number 3. Peak Design Everyday Phone Case. Number 2. CASETiFY Impact Re Case Phone Case. Number 1. OtterBox Defender Screenless Phone Case.